Split toning is one of the more subtle effects in Lightroom. The idea is that you can add a tint to your image, but split it so that you have one color tinting the lighter parts of your image and the other color tinting the darker parts of your image. A slider in the middle changes the balance between the tint in the highlights and the tint in the shadows. An example of this is making the highlights warmer with a yellow or orange tone and making the shadows cooler with a blue tone. First, drag the hue slider in the highlights section to choose the color you want to tint the highlights with. Then, drag the saturation to define how much of that tint you want in the highlights. Then do the same for the shadows. You might find it's a little bit hard to choose your hue exactly, so to help, you can temporarily hold down the Option or Alt key to give you a much stronger preview, and once you're happy with the color, you can dial in the amount with the saturation slider.